morning. Can we all have a meeting today?
Oh.
Good morning, CEO.
Good morning, team. Thank you all for attending today's meeting. We are here to discuss the official launch of our newest technology product. I want update from each department before the launch day. Let's start with the technology department. CDO, please go.
Yes, CEO. Our department is almost ready. The developing process is almost completed, and our team are finalizing the last details.
I complete the design of the website and mobile interface. Users can easily navigate the platform.
Server, database, and system functions are all working properly. Security measures are also active.
I tested the products for errors and bugs. Only small issues were found and these are already fixed. Our support teams is ready to assist with installation, troubleshooting, and technical concerns after launch.
Excellent work, tech team. So now let's hear from operations.
Operation are running smoothly and make sure every department is coordinated and prepared. Workflows and schedule are organized, materials and internal systems are ready.
Employees' schedules are finalized and all staff received orientation for launch day responsibilities.
Organized, great job. Now let's hear from the finance.
Our financial planning is stable and the company has enough resources for this plan. Expenses, purchases, and department budget have been recorded accurately.
Financial preparation is always important. Now let's move to marketing and sales.
Our marketing campaign is ready to attract customers and increase product awareness.
We created promotional materials for social media, advertisements, and annual campaigns.
I am prepared to present the product to the clients and encourage customer purchases.
That sounds promising. Thank you, everyone. Based on all the reports, Technova is officially ready for the launch. So their success is because of the hard work, responsibility, and our innovation. Congratulations.
After every fight, just apologize, and maybe then I'll let you try and rock my body right. Even if I was wrong, you know I'm never wrong.